how to add a door. Go to your floor plan, go to Architecture tab, Door. You can load in a door that is already there. You can switch the direction of the door by clicking on these arrows or hitting your space bar. So once you load it in, you can hit your space bar and that will rotate it as well. If you want a different type of door, go to Door, go to Load Family, go to Doors, and you can load in any of these doors except curtain walls. You can go to Residential and Commercial and load in different doors as well. You can select the size here, whatever size you want, hit OK, and load in that door. Okay. To change, I put it where a window is. To change the door size, go to Edit Type, Duplicate, Rename, and you can change the size here if need be. And then check it out in 3D view.